Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Kenmore Dishwasher upper rinse arm spinner. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new rivet, the bearing, and the upper rinse arm spinner. The upper rinse arm spinner is on the top of the dishwasher and spreads the water around on the upper dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. To change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door and remove both the racks. To pull the lower one out, we're just going to pull it out and set it aside. To get the upper rack out, we're going to pull these rails out a little bit. And then on the back side of these end caps, there's a little release tab. The one on the other side comes out the exact same way. Now that we have the end caps off, we can pull the upper rack out and set it aside. Now that we have both racks out, we put a rag over the top of the pump. We're going to be working with small screws inside the dishwasher, and you don't want them to fall down inside the pump. Now we can take a Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw that holds this plastic tubing to the back wall. At the top of the dishwasher, we can remove the other screw. Now that we have the screws out, we can pull the supply tube forward so we can change out the upper rinse arm spinner. We can take a small flathead screwdriver and get behind this rivet and pop it out. Once you have it popped out, you can lift the spinner out. Here's the old upper rinse arm spinner next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the spinner together, you want to put the bearing on the side that has the angle in it. Once you have it in, just hold it and turn it over. Then we can pull out the supply tube and put it into position. And then holding it still from the back side, we can lock the plastic push rivet in to hold it in place. Now that we have the spinner mounted, we can put the supply tube back in place. Now that we have the supply tube back in its spot, we can put the screws back in to hold it in place. Now that we have everything reinstalled, we can take out the rag. Now we can put the upper rack back in. All we have to do is line up the wheels and push it back into the rails. Once you have it all the way in, we can pull the support rails out a little bit so we can put the end caps back on. To put the end caps in, all you have to do is slide them down into place so they lock in. The other side goes in the same way. Once you have them both in, you can push the upper rack and the rails back in. Now we can put in the lower rack. All we have to do is set it down on the door and its track and push it back into place. Once you have it in there, we can close the dishwasher door. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.